This video is in partnership with BlockFi. So hello, welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. As said, this video is in partnership with BlockFi. Around midway through the video, we'll go through a bit of information about that platform and have a look how you can benefit from that and potentially earn a little bit of free crypto when you sign up. So today we're going to take a look into Matic. We have done quite a significant price drop, followed by a significant price rise, and now we are starting to dwindle down a bit. The market is a little bit indecisive with Bitcoin and Ethereum options contracts closing today, so you would always expect a little bit of volatility, and we are heading into the weekend. So we're going to have a look at some key levels that we could use as an investment opportunity, and then we'll have a look at some price targets going forward, and maybe even a little bit of price prediction thrown in there. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed, and let's crack on. Beginning with Bitcoin, as you can see, we have done that big bounce back from that 30k level, and we popped up, we retraced, we hit this level down here at 31k and pushed back up. We actually rejected off 40k 3 times now, so that inevitably was going to send the price down. I was looking for some potential longs at this 618 level. Didn't quite make it here. We got down to 35k and then bounced, double tweezer bottom there, and we have popped to the upside. If you're looking at this on the hourly, you can see it is looking like a bit of a bounce back, but I think we need to pretty much break out of this region here. Well, we are slightly doing that now, but a few closures above this region and potentially pushing back up to 37k is what we need to regain some momentum, because it's still looking very, very bearish. I mean, on the daily time frame, I mean, yeah, it is brutal. That it doesn't look good. Why I was saying that, I don't think, like some people said, that says we've topped out, we've done as a Bitcoin top now. Does this look like a top 2? Does that look like a blow off the top? No, it doesn't to me. It looks like a period of consolidation. And I think this is just a little bit of a downward pressure, somebody getting in, a little bit of manipulation there, somebody loading bags up before we ultimately go on the next run. Might take a while to break out of these lower levels, but I think once we do, I really think we will start pushing on and regaining some ground. Just looking at Ethereum, it's not had as much a significant impact really as BTC did. I know it did a big drop, but we recovered nicely. And on this latest move, looking at a 4-hour time frame, I was looking at a 618 level, same as Bitcoin, but we've actually bounced off this 382 level. Currently rejecting off this 2,600 level. I'm looking for a nice daily closure above 2,600 for the market to really push on. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Matic. We'll look at USDT pair first. We'll then talk a little bit about BlockFi, and then we'll jump into the BTC pairing too. So this was a major drop that we saw. If we look at that in terms of a price range from those highs up at 270. We dropped 72%, but in contrast, unlike most assets out there, this did a very significant pump to the upside. Look at that, 233%, and then we rejected at 245. Come back down, hit this level here at 169 and push back up. Currently using this 236 area as a rejection. If this does spin around and you're looking to fill some orders, let me get rid of the line there. This is the area I would still contemplate looking at 130, 138. That is a potential area I would look at setting some orders if we do reject off this and start to pop down. Currently using this level as support. We've used this level of support quite a few times on the 4-hour and the day and the daily time frame. So 160, that could be a buy zone there. So 169, 170. Lad a few orders down to this 138, because we do know how bullish this asset is. I mean, if you're looking to fill some down here, I think it's going to be more pot luck and some big orders going through to sell to bring it down. But that's where I would look to be selling. Buying if a market did allow. If we do not spin around and we start pushing on, then we can really look at the next targets to aim for. So we've got this target here at 242. Then we have the all-time highs at 270. I think those are the first two levels. But then if we look at the extensions on the Fibonacci, we have got 348 and 289. There is nothing to say that this cannot strike a $5 region within this cycle. So, I mean, we've already done thousands of percent moves. I mean, look at that. You're talking 150% up to $5. So In my opinion, I do think that will happen. We may not even need a major bull run for that to potentially get there. I mean, the markets in general are looking okay, but Matic has been going on a world of its own. So, in general, I'm quite bullish on this asset. I mean, I will definitely be targeting these areas. If we can come down to this area, I'm not holding any at the minute, by the way, but if we come down to this region, I will be buying up a few ETHs worth of Matic and then riding it up to these highs and potentially holding up to $5. So fingers crossed that does happen. Fingers crossed I can get some orders filled. And then fingers crossed we can go up to $5 and we can all make some good money together. Before we jump into some Matic BTC analysis, I would just like to take you through the BlockFi platform. If you are wanting to earn a passive income, then this is the place to be. You can earn up to 8.6 APY on assets that you stake on the platform. Blockchain interest, which is a BIA account, your cryptocurrency can earn up to 8.6%. Interest accrues daily and is paid out monthly. There's no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. You do get a lot of these platforms which tie your crypto in. You need to lock them up for a certain amount of time. This does not happen here. You can pretty much freely pull your assets in and pull your assets out when you like, and then getting that amount of crypto paid in Bitcoin each month is absolutely massive. I think people nowadays, now cryptocurrency is evolving, they're looking for ways to grow their funds. If you're keeping your money in a standard bank account earning 0.1%, then that's not really the way to be. Putting your money into a safe haven like this, 8.6% APY per year, is massive, and I think at least you should go and take a look at it. There's a lot going on this platform. You can also borrow money as low as 4.5%. And then going into further information, you have top tier protection. We're committed to trust and transparency. BlockFi has built the best class compliance program to protect your assets. We are looking for asset security, money growth, and it is definitely a place you should check out. So go and have a look at the link in the pinned comment or the description of this video. Now jumping into the Matic BTC pair, very similar scenario. We had that major push to the upside, major drop, major rebound, and then we are on a slight recovery bounce at the minute. I mean, look at that. We did bounce all the way down to 2,386 sats, all the way up to 6,000 satoshis in terms of a BTC rise. 155%, a little bit less than the what's going on there, a little bit less than the USDT pair, but nevertheless it would have been a great area to potentially accrue some Bitcoin and grow them stacks. If we're looking for some buy zones, I would target this region down here on that 236 level and the 382 level. So you're looking at 4,597 all the way down to 4,000 satoshis. I would say pretty much down at this level. I would say there's some good levels to buy. If BTC goes in a random pump, which it is always likely it could do, that might take it on the Satoshi pairs, and you might get some orders filled down at 3,491. But overall, it's looking quite bullish. I mean, we have had a nice rebound within this region, so it's looking like it's either going to be a rebound and reject or a continuation of this uptrend here. So all in all, buy zones within this region. And then if you're looking to take profits, I would potentially look at 6,000 sats as a nice level first, and then we can look at those all-time highs at 6681, and then we have that fib extension here. It's actually, I've got that fib on wrong, haven't I? Let's put that there. Ah, that's more like it, yeah. If you're looking for buys, this is a region here, yep. So from 4,600 down to, I thought we'd got close to that 382 level and that 236 away off, yeah. So that is the level there. Same Satoshi values, just for 382 level instead of 236. But yeah, if you're looking for sell zones, we've got 6,000 sats, and then you can also look at the all-time highs, and then you've got fib extensions at 7,000 and 8,300 satoshis. But we're not going to go into those levels quite yet. I think we need to monitor this price and pretty much target 6,000 sats before I will jump into some further price analysis. Whether that comes tomorrow or whether that comes in the next few days, whichever happens first, I will jump in some further price analysis and have a look about. So that's going to do it for today's video. Like I say, partnership with BlockFi this video. If you're wanting to join it, then you'll find that link in a pinned comment in the description. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.